Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this became one of my favorite brand, Siku, and this one is a Lamborghini Murcielago Roadster, and I searched for this for very long, and I finally bought this. Like I think I bought this actually sometime back, not now, maybe around I think 5-6 months back, I guess. Yeah, it would be at least around 5 to 6 months. Okay, let's unbox this one and see how this one looks. I'm really excited to open this particular casting. I know it's a very old one, but I love Siku, so let's see. Okay, here it is. So the initial impressions are like, see, this casting is actually huge. This is not 1:64, and see, one good thing about the Siku models are it actually has the details of the car here. So 580 PS, 426 kilowatts. 6192 cubic centimeter, 331 kilometer per hour, top speed. Everything is, everything they mention on the chassis, and the chassis actually has some good detailing to it. See, this used to be somewhere around 350 rupees or so. Think about the pricing, think about the pricing of Matchbox moving parts, or even uh, Hot Wheels, even the Hot Wheels, what do you call that? The series, like which we unbox, the Forza series, or this kind of things, they sell for 249 rupees. It is just piece of crap compared to this. See, this one looks so beautiful. So let's talk about the paint job here. So the paint job has obviously some kind of rashes because it's very old, but it is fine. So the logo placement is a bit weird. It is actually very big. They actually zoomed it out. It does have some acrylic for headlights, which is a real good thing, and for the tail lights as well. And for 350 rupees, look at the logo detailing here. That looks way beautiful. And look at the interior details here. This is so awesome. It has awesome details to it. So if you watched my previous unboxing of all my Siku cars, so those are really cool, especially for the age and for the price. It is really worth it. If you are able to get your hands on Siku, just go ahead and buy it. There is no stopping. So there is no air intake detailing here, but it is fine because they nailed with rest of the details actually. So the tires are actually made of rubber. Good that it doesn't have any melting. I can see the wheel wobble here already, but it is fine anyway. I'm not going to play with these cars. Wow, this actually looks very beautiful, especially the windshield and everything, just wraps up here. Okay, let's do a roll test real quick. But before that, let's see if it has suspension. No, it doesn't have suspension. Okay, let's do a roll test. No, it doesn't roll well at all. So as you can see, the rear wheel wobbles a lot, like I told you, and front wheel wobbles a little bit. That is fine. Okay, we are not going to play with it. But the detailing is really nice. So here you can see some kind of paint rashes because it is inside that, this blue box, and this blue paint got stuck onto this car. I don't know how to remove this. If anyone knows any idea, drop it in the comments. I will try that and update you guys. It does have a lot of good details to it. I really like this. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.